welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm doing DIY hair masks, and all these hair masks are really to promote hair growth and also to help with dry, brittle hair. A lot of these hair masks can apply to a lot of you. I really haven't bought hair masks that you can get from the stores anymore because I just find seriously making your own hair mask and doing it on the weekly, you're gonna notice such a big difference in your hair growth. I recently did a DIY face mask video and I asked you guys in that video if you wanted to see this video, and a lot of you said yes. So if you're curious to watch that one, make sure you guys check that out as well. Let me know if you want me to make any more like DIY beauty hacks and what you want to see. I'd love to know. You can always follow me too on my socials if you have any questions or concerns, and also you can hit me up over on my Instagram because I am most active on there. But that being said, let's jump into it. These are all the 4 hair masks that I will be showing you today. They are all really great to help promote hair growth, of course, and also help with damaged, dry, frizzy, brittle hair. So let's get started. For the first hair mask, just take a small bowl, take 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and just mix it all together. You're going to use this blend once a week, put it all over your hair, and keep it in for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes until you rinse it out with shampoo. This is going to keep your hair strong and shiny and also promote hair growth. Castor oil is really great because it's packed with nutrients such as omega-6 and omega-9 and has a lot of fatty acids and vitamin E. It really deeply nourishes your hair. It can also replenish your scalp and its natural oils, and it can undo any damage of harsh chemical hair products that you may have put that may be also clogging your hair follicles and preventing normal hair growth. Olive oil is super great because it adds those essential antioxidants to the mask and strengthens your hair. And if your hair is naturally frizzy, adding honey is great because it's going to give extra moisture. You can just do it with the castor oil and olive oil, but if you do have really like dry, frizzy hair, then I suggest adding the honey in as well. Now on to mask number 2, and to begin you're going to need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then I just put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into the coconut oil, mixed it all together. You're going to apply this mixture to the scalp and just massage it into your scalp. And once you do that, you're going to put your shower cap on, of course, and keep it on for 30 to 40 minutes before you rinse it with regular shampoo and follow it with conditioner. It does help promote hair growth, but it also cleanses the scalp and cures dandruff. So if you suffer with dandruff problem, I definitely recommend trying this one, as well as it treats hair loss and it strengthens your hair follicles because of the cinnamon that's in this hair mask. This next mask is my go-to mask that I use constantly, and that is just taking an egg and olive oil. So I just put in the egg white and as well as the egg yolk and just mixed it all together, and then I put about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once you put all the ingredients in, you're just going to apply it all over your hair, put that shower cap on, leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour before you go in, shampoo and condition as usual. But make sure when you're washing it out, you don't wash it with hot water because it can start to cook the egg. So you want to wash your hair in cool water when rinsing out the egg. The egg is super great because it's high in protein and it's going to help strengthen and heal damaged strands. And also they're both high in fat, which are really good hair moisturizers. If the stickiness bothers you, you can also dilute it with adding half a cup of water. This can help with if you have a dandruff problem as well. And lastly, this is the mayo and honey hair mask. I know, it's weird to think about putting mayo in your hair, but I'm telling you, a lot of people live by this. I even did a whole video on Blake Lively hair hacks, and this was one of her hacks. She uses mayo in her hair, and her hair is goals, may I say. So I'll link that video if you guys are curious. But all you're gonna do is add about half a cup of mayo, and then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. And to finish it off, I also added 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This hair mask should actually only be used 3 to 4 times a month in comparison to the other ones, which you can use once a week, once every other week if you'd like. So once you have all the ingredients, of course, just add it all over your hair. and just keep it in for 45 minutes. Mayo is super great because it contains egg yolk and it also contains vinegar and oils that work together to nourish the moisture of your hair. It also helps to nourish your scalp and promote hair growth, of course. And honey is really popular because it helps seal the moisture into your hair, and it also makes your hair soft, manageable, also while unclogging your pores and removing any product buildup. When I did apply this hair mask, just to let you know, I did apply it with my hair pretty much wet, so you want to make sure your hair is damp at least before applying this hair mask on. But those are all the hair masks I have for you. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if you're trying to grow your hair out in the comments. I'm curious to know, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did, and click that subscribe button so you're part of the Nicolai's Fam Jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And to make sure you don't miss those uploads, please head over to my channel, click the bell, so that means you'll be notified every single time I upload. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!